Hi, Steve. I wanted to connect with you regarding the paragraphs that you submitted for week one. I want to make sure we get a really strong foundation on writing paragraphs as we head into more difficult writing. I like your subjects or the subject of the motorcycle ride, and I'm very familiar with that area of Kansas, and it's beautiful, and I think that would be a great ride. What I want to focus on with the paragraphs is cohesion and maybe sentence structure also. So with this one, we start with, on a Saturday morning, taking Highway 24, a group of cyclists gathered for a ride from Lawrence, Kansas to Manhattan, Kansas. West of Perry, Kansas, but before Topeka and west of Topeka is nothing but farmland on both sides of the highway. So here we almost have two subjects going. We're set up to look at Saturday morning. We have a group of cyclists going down the road. So really our subject is a group of cyclists. But then the paragraph changes and starts describing what is west of Perry, Kansas, and talks about the farmland and the gust of wind. This is all connected in a way, but within this one paragraph, it's a bit disjointed or not cohesive. So when you start a paragraph, if you start out talking about a group of cyclists, we're going to expect to hear about that group. Like, were you in it? Was your best friend in it? How long have you all been riding? What was the intent of your ride? That sort of thing. The next paragraph could describe the landscape, or maybe a paragraph prior could describe the landscape, but we really have two different pieces working here. I'm going to stop there and remind you of chapter 21.2 that talks about paragraph flow. It's just something that you can practice a little bit more, and I want you to look into the subject alignment and given new chaining, where you make sure that one sentence renames or connects to the second sentence. So I've gone 2.5 minutes here. I'll stop and let me know if you have questions. I would like for you to approach this paragraph again and send me something different through an email. Thanks.